Does your Wonder Oven Pro sound like this? If you have a screwdriver and 3 washers, 8mm or 5/16 of an inch interior diameter, you can probably fix it. Here are the steps. Unplug your oven. Remove the cap from the water addition cup. Remove that water addition plastic cup by gently wedging something between the cup and the metal of the oven. It should come out easily with a clear plastic tube attached underneath. Turn your Wonder Oven upside down. On the 4 feet, remove the small circular rubber inserts. There is a screw inside each foot. Unscrew the feet using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove and set aside the feet. Remove 2 additional screws from the bottom of the oven. Now stand the oven back up. On the back, remove the 7 screws that connect the 3-sided top and side sheet metal piece. The 3-sided sheet metal piece that covers the top and sides of the oven can be slid off by pushing or pulling it towards the back of the oven. It might be easiest to start with the side pieces, pulling from the bottom of each side. With the sheet metal piece removed, on the top of the oven is the fan assembly. If you reach inside, you can spin the fan and confirm the metal-on-metal sound is present when the fan is manually spun. Be gentle. Let's take apart the fan. Remove the 3 screws from the fan assembly. Gently, slightly lift and slightly rotate the fan assembly so it is resting on the raised plastic, as pictured here. The goal is to expose the rubber or silicone washers here. Add another washer on each of the 3 silicone washers. The inner diameter needs to be about 8mm or 5/16 of an inch. I used 1mm thick metal washers. Gently, slightly rotate and lower the fan assembly back into position. We don't want to hear any metal on metal. You may want to plug in your oven at this point and run a powered test before reassembling. If you do so, be extremely cautious not to touch any exposed wires. Keep your test run short so that you don't have to reassemble a hot oven, and finally unplug the oven after the test. To reinstall the 3-sided sheet metal piece, start by lining up the top side and make sure the lip bites onto the stainless steel piece of the oven. Then line up each of the side pieces, aligning from the top down. The stainless pieces inside the oven may be a bit sharp, so be careful. Reinstall the screws on the back of the oven, then the bottom, then reinstall the feet. Let's check the results.
Dad, I don't really know how to put that in. Dad, I don't really know. What is this for, Daddy?
Success. So why did this happen in the first place? My Wonder Oven Pro worked for months flawlessly without issues. Then one day it sounded like banging sheet metal. I'm guessing some thermal expansion from heating or cooling caused the inside of the oven to pop, pushing metal into contact with the fan. This is an educated guess, so take it with a grain of salt. I originally recorded the first part of this video for a warranty claim, but decided to try and fix it and was pleasantly surprised at how easy the fix was. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.